Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about Burner for Star Mfg part #2F-Z5949. Burner for Star Mfg part #2F-Z5949 is a gas burner designed for use with Star manufacturing equipment. It is a high-efficiency, low-maintenance burner that is designed to provide reliable and efficient heat for commercial cooking applications. The burner features a durable stainless steel construction and is designed to be easy to install and maintain. It has an adjustable air shutter that allows for precise control of the flame size and shape, as well as an adjustable gas valve that allows for precise control of the fuel flow rate. The burner also feeder. This part fixes the following symptoms. Burner for Star Mfg part #2F-Z5949 is used to replace a faulty burner on a Star manufacturing commercial cooking equipment. It can help to fix symptoms such as poor flame quality, uneven heat distribution, and excessive smoke or soot. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by disconnecting the power to the appliance. 2. Remove the existing burner and any other components that may be blocking access to the burner. 3. Place the new burner in position and secure it with screws or bolts, depending on your model. 4. Reconnect any wiring that was disconnected during removal of the old burner. 5. Reinstall any components that were removed during installation of the new burner. 6. Turn on the power to the appliance and test for proper operation of the new burner before use. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.